Samsung is gearing up for the release of One UI 7.0, the next big software update based on Android 15. The company has officially announced that the stable version of One UI 7.0 will start rolling out to eligible devices on April 7, 2025. However, this rollout will not happen simultaneously across all regions, and some users may have to wait a little longer. For now, Samsung has confirmed the release dates for 3 regions: Korea, Europe, and Malaysia. According to Samsung Deutschland, One UI 7.0 will first go live in Korea on April 7, and shortly after, it will reach European markets. Meanwhile, Samsung Malaysia has stated that the update will become available in the country on April 14, exactly a week after the initial rollout. At this point, Samsung has not provided exact dates for other regions, but we can expect announcements in the coming days. Generally, regions that had access to the One UI 7 beta program are likely to be among the first to receive the stable update. Other regions may follow after the initial phase, though no exact timeline has been confirmed. The rollout will begin with Samsung's latest flagship models, including the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 6. These high-end devices are expected to receive all the new features that One UI 7.0 has to offer. Older and more budget-friendly models will also get the update, but some features may be limited depending on hardware capabilities. Users in the United States will see One UI 7.0 arrive just a few days later than those in Asia and Europe. According to Samsung's announcement in the Newsroom USA, the stable update will start rolling out in the US on April 10, 2025. That's only a 3-day delay compared to the initial rollout in Korea and Europe. Just like in other regions, the update will first be available for Samsung's newest flagship devices. That includes the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, ongoing Google Maps navigation, music playback, live sports scores, a stopwatch, a timer, and even workout progress. Another big highlight of One UI 7.0 is the expansion of Galaxy AI capabilities. Samsung has introduced several new AI-powered tools to enhance the user experience. These include AI Select, a smarter way to select and manipulate text and images; Audio Eraser, removes unwanted background noise from recordings; Drawing Assist, helps users create better sketches and illustrations; Google Gemini integration, a more advanced AI assistant experience; Writing Assist, helps improve text composition and editing; Natural Language Search, allows users to search settings using natural phrases instead of specific keywords. These features are expected to bring major improvements to usability, making everyday tasks more efficient and intuitive. With the One UI 7.0 rollout just around the corner, Samsung users can look forward to a more refined and intelligent software experience. Whether it's the redesigned Now bar, the enhanced AI tools, or the overall performance improvements, this update aims to make Samsung devices even better. Stay tuned for more updates on One UI 7.0 as Samsung continues to announce rollout plans for additional regions. If you're excited about this update, let us know in the comments which feature you're looking forward to the most. Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no inbox charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans! The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.